Okay. What advice would you give a family who is hearing the diagnosis for their child for the very first time?
So, first of all, I'll say congratulations. It's not the path that you have thought for yourself, and it's not something which you've seen others do till now. It's going to throw you out of your comfort zone, definitely. But it's different path. It's exciting. It's adventurous, and it's very fulfilling. Just like the one you had thought of for a neurotypical child, it's as fulfilling, or maybe I would rather say more fulfilling than that. And in today's time, you have enough resources, you have enough help to get you through any diagnosis. And luckily, social media helps you in these days so much. We have enough professionals like you and others, and who are out there to help people. There's nothing to worry about.
Again, in the same way, when somebody is just diagnosed, would you be able to share with them that what they're scared of, or what
Hmm.
they think that life has ended or is going to be so sad?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Had you
no.
known better, I mean, had you known about this, earlier,
Yes,
how would you
exactly.
have
I
felt?
was in at the same place, that time. For me, I didn't have anything to fall back, or like I said, to look forward to that how it's going to be. I didn't see anybody who's already reached a level where I can see that my child will also be. But nowadays, it's nothing like that. Any diagnosis, you have enough help. It's just that you have to start at the earliest. Early intervention is always the key, which I cannot harp enough. There's nothing to be scared of. You're a parent, you've already decided to have a child. Accept the child for what the child has come in with, and I think nothing else matters.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it all
Yeah.
boils down to
You
it's
wanted
still
to be
going to
a
be okay.
parent, so a parent's responsibilities are, you can't say you cannot choose those responsibilities. It's like how you cannot choose whether you're going to have a son or a daughter. You cannot choose whether what kind of parental responsibilities you're going to get. Whatever there is, you have to do it. It's all like, yes, I'm a parent, so I have to do it.
That's
Yeah.
beautifully
Yeah.
put, though. Very nice.